Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn with Hajra. Today I'm going to talk about different 5 overused words. Yes, no, sorry, thank you. Okay, now I'm going to tell you more advanced alternatives and perfect for you to impress your English in daily routine. My first word is yes. We mostly use yes when someone asks the question, have you done your homework? We said yes. So you can change yep, 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 or you can use yes, yes. So you replace yes with I do. And the third one, I will. And the fourth one, if mostly when someone said, are you going to party tonight? You said, yeah. The third one is, yeah. And the fourth one mostly used for respond the request. Like someone said, your promotion getting in this year? You said, certainly. And or 5 more. And the fifth one, more American pronunciation like sure, sure. Are you want more water? Sure. Instead of yes, you use sure. Or the 6 alternatives is of course, of course. Let's revise these words of yes. Do you like kittens? Instead of yes, you use I do. Will you have kittens soon? Instead of yes, you use I will. The third question is, have you bought an excessive amount of cute kitten toys? Instead of yes, you said I have. Switch something differently. Now further proceed. My second word is no. No is most overused word in our daily routine. So we can change this for differently. How can we change this? Let's learn this. If someone asked, did you do your homework? We said no. Instead of no, you said nope, nope. And the second one is nah. N-A-H, nah. Nah is mostly used in potentially used in most America, or express some disgust feeling. Like if we don't like something and someone asks, are you like it? We said nah, nah. And the third one is no way. It is mostly used for forcefully. Like we said, or you want to eat this and you don't like it, you said no way. It's forceful way of saying no. And the fourth one is sorry. It's like someone asks, are you coming tonight? And you scared of not saying no, so you said sorry, I don't come, sorry, I don't do, sorry. Instead of no, you said sorry. And the fifth one, not likely, not likely. Do you get promotion in this year? You said not likely, not likely. And the sixth one is absolutely not. Absolutely not means forcefully. We said like strongly don't like others' opinion. So we simply said absolutely not. And the seventh one is mostly like sixth one. Certainly not. Certainly not. And the eighth one, unfortunately not. It's like apologetic way. It's like apologetic way. Like we don't like someone ask, are you going to party tonight? So we said unfortunately not. Or I'm afraid not. Afraid not is like means I'm scared to tell you about that. And in this way we can apologetic way, unfortunately not, I'm afraid not. My third word is sorry, mostly overused word. So instead of sorry, how we change these situations, let's discuss. My first alternative is I didn't mean to it. Means if we said we use I didn't mean to instead of sorry, like I didn't mean to run over here too. And the second one is it was wrong of me. Means if we use it was wrong of me to put your white shirt with my red knickers. Is it possible? Or the third one is I was wrong too. So how we use in this sentence? I was wrong to go to concert without you. Instead of saying sorry, I don't want to go with you on concert. So we use I was wrong to go to the concert without you. And the fourth one, I should never have. Instead of sorry, you use I should never have. Means how we use in this sentence, I should never have worn white on your wedding day. Like seriously? And my last and the word most overused in last alternative is my bad. It's mostly used in conversational, like if we in our friend gatherings or cousins gathering. So we can use this word my bad. It doesn't mean you are bad. It means that you don't want to say sorry. Sazu said my bad. I don't go to. My bad. I don't go to park with you. My bad. And my fourth word is thank you. How we use in different terms, like if someone doing very good work, so how we appreciate him or her, we simply said you are star, or you are absolutely star. Mean for it, these words mostly used for appreciation. You are a star, you are a absolutely star. Or the third one is you are a lifesaver. Means if you facing difficulty for doing some work and someone give you a little very best way to doing your difficult work, so you can simply say you are lifesaver. And maybe you served from trouble, maybe he served you from trouble, that's why you're saying you are a lifesaver. I don't know what I do without you. This is fourth one. I don't know what I would without you. Like seriously, we mostly use thank you so much, thank you so much. So this is mostly overused in our daily routine. So that's why if we want to use we want to better our English in daily routine, so we have to change this alternatives different times. I don't know what I do without you. And the fifth one, I appreciate that. Someone said you are so gorgeous, you are so beautiful. We said thank you so much. I appreciate that. And the sixth one is you shouldn't have. Means for extra favor or effort. You shouldn't have. Or the seventh one, cheers. Like someone tries us or someone make a effort or make a pleased ourselves, so we simply said cheers. And the eighth one is mostly used for kids, like ta. We mostly use ta. Yes, this word alternative used mostly in students' life or kids. And the ninth one is fab. Like someone doing very great work or looking so gorgeous, so we want to appreciate that, or we want to appreciate that, so we use this word fab. The last overused word is okay. How we describe in these different terms, like okie dokie. Okie dokie, mostly common words like in friend gatherings we use in our universities, college, etc. And the second most plain and simple, all right. And the third one, very well. And the fourth one, righto. Righto means my mom coming over lunch, righto. Fair enough. Fair enough is for negative expression, like you didn't like something and someone wants your opinion about that, or you don't want, said it's not okay, etc. You simply said fair enough. Have you joined it and leave now things today? Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.